You'd ever try to drill a hole dead smack in the middle of a dowel, or you're making a project, like maybe you're making a pen and you want to get that hole right on center so you have as much wood turn off? And what you really want to get is something that looks like that, but that's the best you can do. The drill keeps wandering and spinning off. Well, in the next few minutes, we're going to show you exactly how to do this. So keep watching. We'll go over that right now. So we're going to go over a really quick and simple hack on how to drill a hole down the center of a piece of wood like a dowel. It's pretty easy to take your drill and eyeball it, but if you really want to get the hole right dead center, there's a really simple solution to do that. Don't need a whole lot of special equipment. If you have a drill press, it makes it super easy. If you don't, a hand drill works just as well. But before we do that, we're going to go over some basics of drilling and make you understand why it is it works so well. Of our drill, you have a twist drill, standard twist drill, nothing special. On your drill, it's got two cutting edges, and that's the way a standard drill works. If you look at it from the end, you'll see these two straight faces right here. Now in twist drill, those are the only faces or any surfaces they're actually doing cutting. So when you go through your material, as these two surfaces cut, the rest of what seems like sharp edges that go down the sides aren't actually doing cutting. The whole purpose of the grooves is to clear chips, right? So they're not cutting, it's guiding. And because it doesn't do any cutting, it has no choice but to follow the hole. So let's get to that now. But before we do that, I need you to do something for me. If you like what this video shows and what we talk about, hit the thumb, hit that like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell down below. That way you're notified each week of our tips and projects and everything else we bring to YouTube. So now if you come in with a twist drill, is at such a size that the whole point here fits inside that hole. So this will cut here and here, and it has no choice but to follow right down that hole. It has some assumptions. The drill is sharpened evenly. And if you're not sure how to sharpen that drill, if it gets a little dull, we have another video, which I'll link down below towards the end, on the best way to sharpen your drill. So keep that in mind. We want to be able to drill a 1/4 inch hole straight down the end of this right here. We want to get it exactly center, and we want to be able to do that repeatedly. And then when I go from 1/4 to a 1/2, we're going to step up to 3/4. The 3/4 has such a big point on it, as you can see here, that it's liable to ride and go off, especially if you're using a hand drill. So we need an interim step. A full diameter worth of dowel into that hole. That way you know you get a square position of the dowel when you drill. So there we go, so that there. Okay, I know it doesn't look like much, but this is a very functional fixture. I've made it with a nice holding area. So we take our block, drill down here, and remember our diagram. This drill will always follow this hole. It doesn't veer off or steer in the other way. So whatever direction I drilled it in, it's going to go in the exact same hole. So we'll get just what we want. This is not. Now, I dare you to drill a hole that centered, freehand, square down the middle of that dowel. If you're going to use it a lot, you probably want to do something a little stronger, harder than a piece of 2x3. You might want to put some oak together. Hey, if you liked what you saw today, make sure you hit that thumb and subscribe. As always, the materials and the equipment that we use in this video will be linked down below. Some of these are affiliate links, which help me provide resources so that we can continue to bring you the woodworking knowledge, tips, and projects. I really appreciate you watching this video all the way through. Have yourself a great day. We'll see you again real soon.